Well, hello everyone. Um, I've been trying to develop this channel for a long time and keep having a whole bunch of setbacks and had to deal with a health issue for a while. And now that I'm on the road to recovery, it's time to start rebuilding my strength and part of that is my outlook on my future as far as a new style that I want to come out with. So I've been ordering these boxes where they have stylists send clothes to your house and you get to try things on. And I've been doing Dia and Company for a while. I've received about 3, maybe 4 boxes from them so far. Well, today I'm getting a new one, which is called Adore Me, but it's not with Dia and Company. It's Adore Me, and they're a lingerie company. And let me see the box. This is the first one that I got today. There was a little bit of damage done to the box here, and not so much over here, but the visible damage is on top. So there was a little crushing accident, but I mean, it's lingerie of some sort in here. So not too much of a worry, nothing breakable. But I thought I would do an unboxing live on YouTube to see what we get here. So I'm opening the box right now. And this is what's inside. So I don't know if these fit me right. I'll have to try them on and adjust. But the first item is a bra. And it looks like it's and it's underwire, and I specifically said I do not want any underwire. So I'm not even going to take this out of the package because it's underwire. I do not wear underwire. And I made that very clear. I did not want anything underwire. And here's another one that's underwire. Big disappointment. I don't do underwire. Okay. This one, I don't see any underwire in it.
Are those pennies?
So, this seems like to be one of those sheer ones, no padding. There's no underwire, so that's a good thing. I'll check this out. If there's underwire in it, I will not wear it. Those things dig into my thing. Oh, okay, that's why they're panties. I thought they were bras, but they're not. They're panties. Well, they're cute. I'll give them that. So apparently these next ones will not be bras either. They'll probably be panties. What is that? Is that another bra? Panties? Okay, so it looks like I got 2 pair of the same.
You think you better wear it?
And they're kind of nice because I'll give it like a better look, like nice lace. And there's that little V feature to kind of outline the girly bits. But the back side is sheer. It's like a mesh. It's a really pretty little bow in the front. I don't know if you can see it.
This is also underwire. Carolyn, underwire.
What? And here would be the matching bra to that set. And it has underwire. So it looks like there were 2 bras to match. Because, like, there's a color difference. This is like a blue, and this is more like a violet color. And so they have matching bras. Underwire will not wear it. And what was that last thing in there? Okay, so here's another pair of panties. And here are the matching panties to that one bra. So it's like, I really like these sets, but the problem is they have underwire. And I made it very clear I do not like underwire. So I have a decision to make whether I'm going to keep the panties and return the bras or just return it all, because if they're matching sets, you know, I'd rather have matching sets, but absolutely, positively will not do underwire bras. And I'm disappointed that that specification was put in when I made the order, and every single bra was underwire. So, Adore Me, what's it called? Yeah, Adore Me. Big fail, first box. Totally 100% not liking it. I mean, it was pretty, but no, not liking it, and you'll know why. Okay, that's my take on that one. Thanks.